www.loveartpassion.com. Shows oil paintings, pictures, and good ideas. Listen to our music too. In this video, we will show you how to repair important things, like screens, mosquito net, and bad doors. Call it specialized staeblering. Meanwhile, we will show some available oil paintings and pictures from the site Love Art Passion. You listen to our music. Well, benefits of specialized staeblering. A cheap, easy, and fast method to repair life-saving items. Stay safe and save money. Immediately use items like before they were broken. Very useful during traveling. Restore broken doors, windows, etc. Specialized staeblering will save you from insects, spiders, rats, lizards, snakes, etc. We will keep you and your family safe from diseases and deadly stings caused by insects. Prevents diseases such as Chagas, Dengue, Malaria, etc. Specialized staeblering will save many lives. Specialized staeblering just uses tape and steel screen to repair damaged doors, windows, etc. Let's first show you some examples of door repairs, but it is the same for windows, etc. I measured the gap between door and ground previously. There, I won't cut holes in the screen. But above, I cut some holes in the screen that the tape will stick better on the door. You see, this door has a wide gap. In this example, the space is just above the ground. Anyway, it's the same procedure if the gap is on top of the door, etc. Just stick the screen you prepared with some tape on the door. Now, the screen sticks on the door just above the ground. Then reinforce with additional tape. Then make a front and back staeblering of the steel screen. We could also use plastic screen in staeblering. That is specialized staebler. Specialized staeblering. Repair your broken screens. Just stick at the same time. You may do it with somebody. Tape from both sides of the screen. Like that, it sticks together well. You may repair it later better by covering hole with a piece of screen and weaving it together. Specialized staeblering. Repair your broken mosquito net. Just stick at the same time. You may do it with somebody. Tape from both sides of the net. Like that, it sticks together well. You may repair it later with stitches to make it more durable.